Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about conditional functions, and specifically we'll be looking at SUMIF. So SUMIF help you to calculate total sum where there is a range or criteria or there's a condition. And for our case, we're going to use list in this table to find out the total sum of apples in this table. So we have different types of fruit, but we only want to find the total of apples in this table. So I'll put my formula here, and as I always say, the first thing to do is to start with an equal sign, and then type the function you want to use, which is SUMIF. There it is. And then the first thing to do is actually to select the range. And our range for this case, it will be these types of fruit. So I'll select all the range here, and then I put a comma. Once you put the comma, you now come to criteria. What is the criteria you want to find out? So for our case, we want to find out total sum of apples in this table. So our criteria will be here, where I've put the name apple. So I'll select it, and then I put a comma, and then I go now to sum range. So again, our sum range, it will start right away from C7 all the way down to C18. And then you close the bracket, and then you click enter. And there you go. You have the total number of apples in this table. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe.